super creepy. In the Zion National Park Tunnel.
Oh yeah, NBD just driving through a
Pitch black tunnel built in the
that was constructed in
1930s.
1930. For the advent of electricity and or dynamite. That's where the hole is.
Oh! Trip out on that. Okay, see, we were kind of right. It is a tunnel, probably for like air and stuff.
Which is not a stupid idea.
No, not at all.
That actually makes a lot of sense. Or maybe it was this hole.
It could have been this hole too, but that makes sense. This is
Okay, that makes way more sense.
That's like-
I was like, that must have been like maybe where an old tunnel was.
that's
or something.
ingenious. I'll make sure that I post a picture of the hole in the video.
It's kind of real, actually. I took a couple pictures of it. I guess those 1920s engineers weren't that dumb.
Guess not. It's the most exciting ride I've been on since February. You laugh,
I was
but
expecting it to be like that Indiana Jones ride where the big rock
oh
goes
yeah,
really
where's the
toward you.
rock? Where's the indie rock? Dun, 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 dun. Next time you're driving.
I asked if you wanted to
No, that's what they say in the ride. That's what Indy says at the end.
go. Oh.
Or he says next time I'm driving or something.
It was a long time ago that I went on that ride. Do they even still have that ride?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when I went on it, it was like brand new.
one-
So,
one
if
of-
that tells you anything.
One of Christy and my first date was at Disneyland, when, like right after that ride opened.
Yeah, what was that, like 90?
94.